Nowadays I have been observing students on the internet. Mostly they are students who are tired of studying day and night. Looking for a solution. Their condition was pitiful. So I started looking for the solution of their problems. Took me a long time, but fortunately I found a hidden solution. Want to know it? Me too, so don't skip the video. Before the timer ends, be sure to like and subscribe. Hurry up, be quick. Alright, let's jump straight to main topic, shall we? A little research told me that the biggest problem of the students is unseen paper. So the question pops up, is there a solution to this problem? So the solution is that you would know what exactly would be asked from you in your exam. Alright, let me show you the source from where you can get actual exam questions of any vendor. I have given the link in the description below, but let me just show you the tutorial. Just go to dumpsquestions.com. Search any exam you want. For example, I am going to type AZ 900. Now just buy it for the most budget-friendly price you could think of. Easy to buy and secure payment methods. Or you may download the demo file to clear any doubts in your mind. Feel free to use the brain dumps, and no more studying day and night. Thanks for watching and goodbye.